Reflection of light. Already I discussed about light. What do you mean by light? Light is the source of energy. Where do we get from light? It's the main source of sun. What are the other sources of light? For example, candle, lamp, stars, moon, etc. These objects are called as light sources. Light always travel in a straight line. Light always travel in a straight line. For example, candle, one pipe. You see the light in the straight line. It is a visible light or see. So, light always travel in a straight line. Can we change the direction of light? Yes. Mirror can change the direction of light. When you look into the mirror, you can see your face. What you see is the reflection of your face in the mirror. We also see the reflection of the objects that are in front of the mirror. Not only mirror, you can see the image in the clear water. So, any other polished surfaces or shining surface are using the mirror. You can see you in your image. Okay, what is a mirror? It is the plain glass. In the plain glass is a smooth surface. The plain glass is a smooth or shining surface. In the plain glass is silver coating is behind the red coating. The red paint also protect the silver coating from getting the light. So, one of the best example for mirror can change the direction of light. When light is reflected by shiny or smooth and plain surface, we can see the clear image of the object. In the smooth surface, the incoming light sent back to the reflected light or same angle. So, in the smooth surface are best example for reflection. Then other example for moon. Moon is a non-luminous body. Moon is a non-luminous body. Moon does not its own light, but it looks bright. Why? Because it reflects the light from the sun. It reflects the light from the sun. So, sun is the one of the light source and the moon is the mirror. So, reflecting light from the sun. The moon is the reflecting light from the sun. Okay, children. What do you mean by reflection? The image we can see the mirror. Then bouncing off light by any smooth or polished surface. That is known as reflection. I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening, students.